Hello, today we're comparing numbers. Let's create an integer and a float. Make sure they're equal. First, we use the equals equals. Pretty simple, returns true if the numbers are equal. The right argument can be an int or a float. In this case we have a float. As expected, we get true. Since this is a float, we might have precision issues. So instead it's 5.0001. Obviously they're no longer equal. In this case we use the is=approx method. We saw it at the float video. Now we get true because they're almost equal. Here's the description. We can turn the float into an int if we only care about the integer part of the number. Now that will be 5. Even if it's close to 6. Still true. If we wanted to round the number, we can use the round function. It returns the nearest whole number. Now this will be 6. So it's false. Now let's change one number to 9. False. If we want to check inequality, we use exclamation mark equals. Returns true if the int is not equivalent to the float. Right can also be an int. If we run it, we get true. Again, if the numbers are almost equal, they're not the same. In this case, we use the is=approx again. With a note at the front. So the note will inverse the result of this. And now we get false. The greater than operator checks if the left argument is greater than the right. Again, the numbers can be either int or float. Five is less than 9, so we expect false. If the numbers are equal, we still get false. To check if the left is greater or equal, we just add an equal sign. It's this operator. Again, floats and ints. Now we get true. The less operator works in a similar manner. It checks if left is less than right. We get false, since they're equal. Just like before, we can add an equal sign to check for less or equals. It's this one. Now we get true. Keep in mind that just like before, we still have a problem if the numbers are almost equal. The less will return true. In this scenario, we could use is=approx with a not operator and then compare. Okay, that was the comparison operators. In the next video, we'll see the basic operators. Till next time.